Here's what you need to know about what is multicast. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Multicast sends a single data stream to multiple interested receivers simultaneously. Unlike Unicast, one-to-one, or broadcast, one-to-all, multicast targets only subscribed devices. This makes it highly efficient for video streaming, live conferencing, and routing protocol updates across large networks. Key concept: Unicast versus multicast versus broadcast. Unicast sends separate streams to each recipient, inefficient at scale. Broadcast goes to everyone on the segment, wasteful and unscalable. Multicast delivers one stream only to devices that join the group, the most bandwidth-efficient method for one-to-many delivery. Key concept: IGMP Protocol. Internet Group Management Protocol, IGMP, allows hosts to join and leave multicast groups. Routers use IGMP reports to learn which interfaces have interested receivers. Without IGMP, routers cannot know which ports need multicast traffic forwarded to them. Key concept: Multicast IP Addresses. IPv4. Multicast uses Class D addresses in the 224.0.0.0/4 range, 224.239, XXX. Devices subscribe to a group address to receive that stream. Well-known addresses include 224.0.0.1, all hosts, and 224.0.0.2, all routers. Key concept: PIM Routing Protocol. Protocol-independent multicast. PIM routes multicast traffic between networks. PIM dense mode floods traffic everywhere, then prunes unused branches. PIM sparse mode builds a shared distribution tree, used in most enterprise and service provider networks. Let's look at the full breakdown. Unicast, one sender, one receiver. Separate stream per recipient, bandwidth scales with viewers. Multicast, one sender, many subscribed receivers. Single stream replicated at edges. Bandwidth stays constant as viewers grow. Broadcast, one sender, all devices on segment. Destination, 255, 255, 255, 255. Blocked by routers, stays local. Here's a real-world example. A university streams a live lecture to 500 students. With Unicast, the server sends 500 individual HD streams, crushing the uplink. With multicast, it sends one stream and routers duplicate it only where students are connected. Adding 200 more viewers uses zero extra server bandwidth. The network handles replication at the edge. Quick recap before you go. 1. Multicast delivers one stream to many subscribed receivers. Not everyone like broadcast. 2. IGMP lets hosts dynamically join and leave multicast groups. 3. IPv4 multicast addresses use the Class D range, 224.0.0.0/4. 4. PIM is the routing protocol that forwards multicast traffic across networks. 5. Multicast is used for video streaming, VoIP conferencing, and routing updates, OSPF, IGRP. That's what is multicast covered. Exam tip: know all three delivery types: Unicast, one-to-one, multicast, one-to-group, broadcast, one-to-all. IGMP is the protocol hosts use to subscribe to multicast groups. PIM handles inter-network multicast routing. Next up, what is Anycast? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.